I step, I do the same thing, but watch my feet. I'm going to leave one of my feet behind. Yeah? So if you got thrown like the other day, which everybody did, except you can, right? Okay? Then, this is, and he's really good at the story, he's going to catch you in the later, right? Pressure on that, right? So, he's pushing into me, I steer, and then I stick the foot out and just catch his ankle, and people will follow. It's really easy to do it. Grab me. It doesn't take much. And the more they push you, the easier it gets because the more energy they give you. Yeah? Okay? So, you're going to steer, and you're going to put your foot like on the top of your foot, just like that, on the ankle. Sometimes you catch the knee, and that's okay, because you can do it from the knee as well. Yeah? Either is fine. Yeah? Ankle or knee. So pushes me, catch the knee, person falls over. Too simple? Great. Don't do this near the wall though, because if you trick people, they're going to fall over to hit their head on the wall. Got it? Same thing, steer, to step off that line, steer, and just put your foot, you're going to put the bottom of your foot, stay there, you're going to put the bottom of your foot there like this, or the bottom of your foot there on the knee. Okay? So you're going to use that part, you're going to make